Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wanted to test out Windows 11 without messing with your main computer? Or maybe you're a developer who needs a safe sandbox for testing software? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of installing Windows 11 inside a virtual machine using VMware Workstation. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Windows 11 VM ready to go. Fire up VMware Workstation, click on Create a new virtual machine. The new virtual machine wizard will pop up. We'll choose Typical, Recommended, Configuration, and click Next. Now it will ask for the installation media. This is where that ISO file comes in. Select Installer Disk Image File, ISO, and then click Browse to find and select your Windows 11 ISO. If you do not have the ISO, go to the official Microsoft website, scroll down to the ISO download section, and grab the latest version. Save it somewhere on your computer. Once it's selected, VMware should automatically detect it as Windows 11. Click Next. Now give your virtual machine a name like Windows 11 and choose where you want to store it. Since Windows 11, your computer needs a TPM 2.0 chip to install. But when you try this in VMware Workstation, you'll notice something strange. VMware won't let you add TPM unless you encrypt your virtual machine first. Why? Here's the easy explanation. A TPM is like a safe that stores super secret keys for things like Windows Hello, BitLocker, and Secure Boot. If VMware just dropped that safe into your VM, anyone could copy the VM files, open them on another computer, and steal those secrets. So VMware says, hold up. If you want a TPM, I'll lock your VM inside a secure container by encrypting it. That way, the TPM data can't be read or tampered with outside the VM. For the disk, I recommend at least 64 gigabytes of space or more. You can customize the hardware by clicking on Customize Hardware. You can change the network adapter to bridged if you want. Then the virtual machine will act like a PC on your network and receive an IP address from the DHCP on your physical network. Also, make sure you set at least 2 processor cores. For memory, set it to 4 gigabytes minimum, but if your system allows, go with 8 gigabytes or more for smoother performance. Finally, you'll see a summary screen, power on the virtual machine, and you'll be greeted by the Windows 11 setup screen. You'll now see the familiar blue Windows setup screen. Now, we need to enter our Windows product key. You can enter a genuine key here, if you have one, or just leave it blank to activate later. Select the version of Windows you want to install if you have a Home Edition. License, select Home Edition, and so on. This step is important. If you choose Set up for personal use, you'll be required to sign in with a Microsoft account. But if you want to create a local account instead, select Set up for work or school. Since I prefer a local account, I'll go with the second option. Answer the questions and proceed. And there you have it, a fresh, clean installation of Windows 11 running perfectly inside VMware Workstation. To make Windows 11 run smoother, go to the VMware menu and select Install VMware Tools. This will improve graphics, mouse integration, and allow you to resize the VM window properly. And that's it. You now have Windows 11 running inside VMware Workstation, perfect for testing apps, settings, or just exploring the OS without touching your main computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.